Picture this, a sleek, laminated travel trailer tucked into your favorite campsite. It's clean, modern, and already drawing a few glances from your campground neighbors. That's the Grand Design Imagine, a name that doesn't just imply potential, it delivers it. With a range of floor plans for couples, families, and everyone in between, Imagine is far more than just a pretty face. Let's step inside and break down what makes this rig stand out, from the interior comforts to its rugged build, and finally, what it'll take to get one rolling behind your vehicle. The moment you step through the entrance, you're greeted by a towering 81-inch radius ceiling lit with subtle LED strip lighting that gives the space an open, upscale feel. It's plenty roomy unless you're an NBA center, and even then, you won't be ducking. Overhead, the 15,000 BTU ducted AC is ready to cool things down in a hurry. Combined with the 30,000 BTU high-efficiency furnace, the Imagine is fully geared to handle all 4 seasons comfortably. And that's not just marketing fluff, it's backed by Grand Design's 4 Seasons Protection Package, but we'll get deeper into that a little bit later. Let's shift into entertainment mode, because every Imagine comes ready to play with a high-definition LED TV and cable hookups, so you're not stuck watching reruns on your phone when the weather turns. And yeah, there's exterior cable prep too, because sometimes movie night belongs under the stars. Now let's move over to the kitchen, and it doesn't disappoint. With a 3-burner range, oven, and microwave, you've got everything you need to whip up anything from pancakes to paella. While you're brewing your morning coffee, you can charge your phone or tablet on the wireless pop-up charger that includes 2 USB ports, because this trailer understands that power is currency. Storage is handled beautifully with solid core cabinet styles, pre-drilled face frames, and full extension drawers on ball-bearing guides. It's a fancy way of saying this stuff is just built right. The residential style stainless steel sink and pull-down sprayer make cleanup easy, and the solid surface countertops feel more high-end condo than campsite. And anchoring the whole kitchen is a 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge, which means you've got room for all your drinks, condiments, leftovers, and yes, your secret pint of Ben & Jerry's ice cream. You need power for all of this? You're covered with 50 amp service, so running your small appliances won't trip anything unless you try to run a waffle iron, hair dryer, and space heater all at once. But hey, you've got options. Now, onto the bathroom, which skips the whole cramped RV cubicle vibe. Instead, you'll get a massive 30 by 36 walk-in residential style shower with a skylight and a tankless on-demand water heater, so you're not racing against time to rinse the shampoo out. The power vent fan keeps things from fogging up, and the mirrored medicine cabinet gives you space for everything from your toothbrush to your travel size hair products. Next stop, of course, is the bedroom, where comfort meets smart storage. This 60 by 80 inch residential queen size bed is surrounded by flanking wardrobe closets and overhead cabinets. But what really makes the space feel premium are the built-in wardrobe cubbies, each with their own USB-C port and a 110 volt outlet. Need more storage? Just lift the bed and check out the oversized underbed compartment with a sliding cargo tray. It's like a hidden basement for your gear. And because privacy matters, there's a solid door, no curtains, no flimsy accordion panels, just actual shut the world out privacy. Okay, let's take it outside, where the Imagine continues to impress. Entry is smooth and sturdy thanks to lightweight aluminum steps, which won't bite your fingers like the awkward pull-out stairs. Once you're in, you'll appreciate the adjustable power awning with LED lights, because rain or shine, this rig knows how to throw shade. There's even motion sensor LED lighting at the door, which is great for late arrivals or when your local raccoon gang comes sniffing around. Around back, there's a roof ladder, because you should inspect your roof every year. A spare tire with carrier, and tire pressure monitoring system prep, so you can monitor tire pressure like a pro. Backup camera prep is already installed, and the rear hitch receiver means you can bring bikes or a cargo rack. Just check your state's trailer laws before you start hauling a tiny garage. As we work our way forward, you'll notice the 80% tinted radius safety glass windows, which are as functional as they are stylish. Blocking heat and prying eyes? Yes, please. And speaking of heat, the Imagine comes standard with a 200-watt roof-mounted solar panel and a 30-amp charge controller, helping stretch your battery life when you're off-grid. You've also got a battery disconnect switch in the pass-through storage compartment, which itself features a slam latch baggage door with magnetic catch, insulated walls, and tough ply flooring. Add in a power tongue jack and setup becomes more about sipping drinks than cranking handles. Alright, let's talk about what's underneath that clean exterior, because as you know, construction matters when you're hauling your home across the country. The Imagine's frame is an all-aluminum cage with double insulation in both the floor and the roof, and a moisture barrier enclosure to keep things dry. The roof is walkable, double insulated, and covered with a one-piece membrane that carries a limited lifetime warranty. The painted, double insulated front cap is more than just sharp, it helps with energy efficiency too. Part of that efficiency comes from the 4 Seasons protection package, which goes beyond the basics. You get a heated enclosed underbelly with suspended tanks, enclosed dump valves, a dedicated heat duct to the subfloor, and a roof attic vent to manage heat buildup. Whether you're braving early spring in the Rockies or stretching out summer into late fall, this trailer is built to handle it. Now, let's hit on what it takes to tow this beauty. The Grand Design Imagine ranges from just under 27 feet to 37 feet long, and dry weights run from about 6,000 to 8,700 pounds dry. But what really matters is gross weight, the maximum your frame and axles can handle, which lands between 7,850 and 10,105 pounds depending on the model. For the lighter end of this spectrum, large SUVs like the Dodge Durango, Toyota Sequoia, Nissan Armada, or Chevy Tahoe may be able to tow it if properly equipped. But once you're pushing toward that 5-digit gross weight mark, it's time to bring in the big guns. Think a Ford F-150, Ram 1500, Chevy Silverado 1500, or even the all-electric Rivian R1T. Still not sure what your ride can handle? You could flip through your owner's manual, or more conveniently, just stop by your local Camping World. Happy shopping and happy camping.